Andrew. Andrew.
Go play with the basketball, Daddy. Let's go play with the basketball, Daddy.
Just a second, Bob.
Okay. I don't want to. I don't go around.
There he goes.
Yeah.
It's going low.
Say yay.
I'm going back. I'm going back up. Yeah. I'm going to go back over there.
Are you ready to go eat?
But
And go see your Gracie?
let's go play with basketball over there in Mommy's room. In Mommy's room.
Well, we'll do that when we get home, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Charlie.
But we are home.
But we're fixing to go eat and go see Gracie. Hey, you know who else may be there? Who? Huh? No.
Who's coming tomorrow?
Who are we going to see tomorrow? Angela? Yeah. Scarlett may be there tonight.
Yes, got it.
And your coach.
Yeah, I'm a coach.
You want to go see Coach?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
Andrew, are you going to roll over the other way?
I'm in my basketball game.
No, we got to go eat and then go so we can get there in
But
time.
I got my space shoes.
You do. You want to bring a couple toys to play with?
Yeah.
Okay, get a couple.
Charlie, can you give your brother sugars?
Oh, he slobber you?
Yeah.
Is he slobberly?
Yeah. I'm gonna bring a monster truck. I'm gonna bring a monster truck.
Okay.
Hey, sweetie. Can you say, Mama? Mama? Mama?